Well, I figured I'd make a video of this lathe while we have the headstock torn down. It's pretty much all the gears are out of it, except for the spindle and a few of the gears for like the RPM readout and the change gears for the handles anyway. We left those in there. They're all tight. And the main reason we took this apart is we were hearing an intermittent knocking noise. So we found quite a few issues with it. This lathe has been run a lot. It's had a hard life. So a few of the bearings were bad. Some of them were dirty. A lot of the set screws had come loose. So anything that has a set screw pretty much was loose, and it was causing the gears to slide in there. Quite a few of the bearings were loose. It's going to be quite a bit of work to put this back together in a way that it won't come apart again and that everything is tight, because it was a real mess. Some of these shafts were moving back and forth, and the gears were moving back and forth, and there was also this one key. It was starting to wear, and it was making this gear rock on the carrier. So that has to be dealt with. We'll make a new key and hand fit it. Luckily the keyways actually are in decent shape, so it should hand fit well. And one thing, I might try and take some of these clutch discs out. I feel the brake is still stopping it a little hard. And that is an issue in the past they've had. They've blown up a lot of gears in this thing from that brake stopping this aggressively. And we found a couple battle wounds, a few teeth in there. We found some other chunks, lots of little metallic particles. So we spent quite a while getting the case clean, right down to the bottom, get all that junk out of there. These gears probably should have been a little bit bigger too. They're not bad, but for such a big lathe, and these two chucks spinning on it, one on the front, one on the back, and then the weight of your part, that's a lot of weight that thing's stopping. You know, these are not very small chucks. That back three jaws around 1,000 pounds, and this one's a bit lighter. I don't know the exact weight on it. Yeah, we should get her all good though. Front of this case is absurdly thick too.